Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News. So we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You guys, so Andile Mpisane is a very happy and lucky man. Today he was seen celebrating his engagement to Tamia Low in Tanzania. They were celebrating their engagement. Check out the videos and please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Here's the videos.